Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter map codes in Fortnite. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now the first thing you actually want to do is just load up Fortnite, and once you got that opened, it should look something like this. Now from here, what you want to do is just go into the top left corner and you want to look for this little magnifying glass icon, and we should find that just next to the play button. So go ahead and click on that, and then from here we have the chance to search for island names or codes. So all you have to do from here is go up to the search bar, and then you can paste in whatever island code you have, and then when you click enter, you will see the map that you're looking for. So in order to play it from there, you can just click on it. You can choose the island options, so you can choose your privacy and team fill options over here, and then when you're happy to get started, you can just go ahead and click select. So that's exactly how you can enter map codes or island codes in Fortnite. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.